Welcome to T-Teach. Today, sketching quadratic graphs from equations. You'll learn the four-step method for turning any equation into a perfect graph. Here's the method that works every time. Step 1. Find the y-intercept. Just set x equals 0. Step 2. Find the roots. Set y equals 0 and solve. Step 3. Find the vertex. It's the midpoint of the roots. Step 4. Draw a smooth curve through all your points. 4 simple steps. Example 1. Y equals x squared plus 3. Y-intercept, set x to 0. Y equals 3. Point 0, 3. Roots. We need x squared plus 3 equals 0. No real solutions. This parabola doesn't cross the x-axis. Vertex. Since there are no roots, the vertex is at our y-intercept. 0, 3. Now draw the curve. Opens upward, smooth U-shape. Notice how it stays completely above the x-axis. No roots means no crossings. Example 2. Y equals negative x squared plus 4. Y-intercept. X equals 0 gives y equals 4. Point 0, 4. Roots, negative x squared plus 4 equals 0. X equals plus or minus 2. Vertex. Midpoint of negative 2 and positive 2 is 0. Y equals 4. Point 0, 4. Draw the curve. Important, negative coefficient means it opens downward. This is an upside-down parabola with a maximum at the top. Watch that negative sign. Example 3. Y equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. Y-intercept, x equals 0 gives y equals 3. Roots, factorize to x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0. Roots at 1 and 3. Vertex, midpoint is 1 plus 3 over 2 equals 2. At x equals 2, y equals 4 minus 8 plus 3 equals negative 1. Draw the smooth curve through all 4 points. Perfect. This is the classic quadratic shape you'll see most often in exams. Let's recap the four-step method. 1. Y-intercept, set x to 0. 2. Roots, set y to 0. 3. Vertex, find the midpoint. 4. Smooth curve through all points. Top tips, always plot at least 3 points. Check if your parabola opens up or down. Make sure your curve passes through every point smoothly. The more you practice, the faster you'll get. Try sketching one quadratic graph every day. Thanks for watching.